What if I told you that your gut is the command center of your entire health? It's not just about digestion. Your gut plays a massive role in your immune system, mood, energy, hormones, skin, and even brain health. So if you're struggling with fatigue, bloating, anxiety, inflammation, or brain fog, your gut might be the real root cause. In today's video, we'll explore natural, science-backed ways to heal your gut, what to eat, what to avoid, and how to gently restore balance from the inside out. Your gut contains trillions of bacteria, good and bad, working 24/7 to digest food, absorb nutrients, and keep your immune system in check. In fact, 70% of your immune system lives in your gut lining. When your gut is out of balance, due to antibiotics, stress, processed food, or environmental toxins, you may develop a condition called leaky gut, where the intestinal lining becomes inflamed and allows toxins and undigested particles to enter your bloodstream. This triggers widespread inflammation and can lead to issues like IBS, autoimmune disorders, food sensitivities, acne and eczema, anxiety, or depression. But the good news is, you can heal your gut, naturally and gently. Let's look at the 5 most effective ways. Add more fermented foods. Feed the good bacteria. Fermented foods are rich in probiotics, which are live microorganisms that restore healthy gut flora. Examples include sauerkraut, kimchi, kefir, yogurt, unsweetened, miso, and kombucha. Benefits: strengthen immunity, improve digestion, reduce bloating and inflammation, and even support mental clarity through the gut-brain axis. Watch out! If you have histamine intolerance, fermented foods may cause headaches or rashes. Start small and observe your body's response. 2. Use bone broth. Repair the gut lining. Bone broth is rich in collagen, glutamine, and gelatin, nutrients that soothe and rebuild the intestinal lining. It's especially helpful for healing leaky gut and easing inflammation. Benefits: how to use: sip a warm cup daily, use as a base for soups or add to cooking. Caution: use organic, pasture-raised bones to avoid toxins. People with histamine intolerance may need to limit long-simmered broths. Cut gut-damaging foods. Give your gut a break. No healing plan works if you're constantly inflaming your gut. Avoid or, at least minimize processed sugars, gluten, especially if you're sensitive. Seed oils and trans fats, artificial sweeteners like aspartame, and excess alcohol and caffeine. These foods really disrupt the gut microbiome and damage the gut lining. Instead, focus on whole, anti-inflammatory foods, leafy greens, berries, wild-caught fish, and healthy fats like olive oil and avocado. Add prebiotics. Feed your friendly bacteria. Prebiotics are fibers that feed the good bacteria in your gut. Some great sources include garlic, onions, leeks, bananas, chicory root, and asparagus. The benefits? They promote healthy digestion, improve mineral absorption, and support long-term microbiome health. But, just a heads up, if you have SIBO or small intestinal bacterial overgrowth, prebiotics may make symptoms worse at first. It's best to work with a practitioner if your symptoms flare up. Manage stress. Calm your second brain. The gut and brain are honestly so intimately connected. When you're under chronic stress, your gut tightens, your digestion slows, and inflammation increases. Stress is actually one of the biggest hidden causes of gut issues. What helps? Breathwork or meditation, even just 5 minutes a day, gentle exercise like walking or yoga, and getting sunlight and grounding. Remember, it's not just what you eat, it's how you live that heals your gut. Healing your gut isn't about quick fixes or expensive supplements. It's really about simple, consistent habits that help your body return to balance. Feed the good bugs, remove the irritants, rebuild the lining, and give your nervous system space to rest. When your gut heals, your whole life improves. Energy returns, brain fog lifts, skin clears, moods stabilize. So be patient, be gentle, and let healing start from within. Have you tried any of these gut healing habits? Share your journey in the comments. If this video helped you, give it a like, share it with someone struggling with gut issues, and don't forget to subscribe for more natural healing and holistic wellness. Until next time, trust your gut. It knows the way.